One of the world's loneliest animals is the Isle of Lair giant tortoise, Lonesome George, which was once the last Galapagos tortoise belonging to the Isabella Island population. The Isle of Lair giant tortoise, Lonesome George, is a heartbreaking animal that lives on Isabella Island in the Galapagos Islands. The giant tortoise has gained notoriety in the biological community and globally, as it was once one of the loneliest animals on Earth. The Lyell Island giant tortoise was born around 1910, at a time when there were few giant tortoises of its kind left on Isabella Island. In 1971, the solitary tortoise was discovered and named the Isle of Lair tortoise, after the island on which it was found. The loneliness of this tortoise comes from its special status, as it is the last representative of the Isabella Island giant tortoise, that is, the only one. The subspecies of the Lyell Island giant tortoise is extinct and there are no other giant tortoises to mate with and pass on. The Lyell Island giant tortoise became a biological puzzle, and scientists made several attempts to mate it with other Galapagos giant tortoises in hopes of preserving its genes. However, these attempts were unsuccessful, and the tortoise continues to live alone in a special captive environment at the Charles Darwin Research Station. Over the years, the Isle of Lair giant tortoise has been in the spotlight and has become one of the icons of biodiversity conservation. Sadly, however, on June 24, 2012, the Isle of Lair giant tortoise passed away from natural causes at the age of about 100 years. This meant that its subspecies was officially extinct, leaving the Isle of Lair giant tortoise as the only representative of its kind on Earth. The story of the Isle of Lair tortoise is a poignant reminder to us to value every living thing on the planet, lest they eventually face extinction in isolation. It also emphasizes the urgency of biodiversity conservation and calls us to take action to protect endangered species before they, like the tortoise of Lyell Island, become symbols of loneliness.